here. Come down here. You need to fix your diaper right here, baby. Huh? You silly little one. You silly little baby. You silly little baby. You having fun this morning? You having fun this morning? How's my little belly? How's the little belly? How's the little belly? You got your little feet going, huh? Those your little feet? There, I love your smiles. I love your smiles. I love your smiles. I love your smiles. Give me more smiles. I love it. Give me more smiles. Give me more smiles. Give me more smiles. Thank you. I loved it. Yeah? You see your little friends up there, huh? Yeah, you like them? Are you having fun this morning? You're just tearing up the little bassinet, huh? You got lots of energy. You got lots of energy. Aw, you having fun. Mama loved it. Can you show Mama more smiles? Can ya? Where's my smiles? Aw, there they are. Do I get any more smiles? Do I get any more smiles? You're a cutie. You're a cutie. Anything else before Mama turns this off? Oh, okay. Are you done? Oh, I love it. I love your little smile. Okay, I think that's enough now, huh? Yeah, let's go have playtime. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.